Well, the ride for these ancient iron stallions behind me is considered the most difficult antique endurance run in the world for a couple reasons. The 3,400-mile distance and the fact that each one of these bikes was manufactured in the year 1933 or earlier. This year, over 80 riders saddled up their iron stallions yesterday at Virginia Beach and will continue the battle of skill, grit, and luck for 16 days until they reach Oceanside, California. The cross-country journey started in 2010 with only 45 riders, with the objective to let these old bikes spend their lives as they were intended, on the road. Today, cannonballers from around the world called the journey life-changing.
So far, it's just got to be today. But you know, we had to get through a lot to get our bike over here, air freighted across. Getting to the start line was a big deal, but we had a lot of stuff to deal with. Today was the first day where we could just sort of let it rip and enjoy the bike. So just enjoying the ride, you know, starting to see America, that's the best thing so far, but we're just looking forward to doing the best we can and just getting all the way across.
And these riders are set to depart Greenville tomorrow morning at around 8 a.m. and they have their sights set for the Pacific Coast. Reporting in Greenville, Davis Supis, 9 on your side.